We're standing outside 4001 Stonewood Drive. And we have a Schindler MT here. The next one we're gonna ride is an Otis at 6001. Lanterns burned out. This is nice. Heads 2. Installed in 2000. Your certificate's loose. According to Patrick Ned's, this is from 2000 according to the certificate. And I don't know if Patrick Ned's filmed this one or not. Head back down to 1. And I'm not sure. Just gotta look up here. Schindler. Broncos 1 does not work. Their certificate's loose. If you see closely, installed in 2000. It's definitely got a panel mounted phone. Let's head back up to 2. Head back up. I'm gonna head back up. Here we go. Let's watch the button go out. This is a pretty good motor too. Watch the button go out. Let's get a look out here. Here's MP number 1. Here's 6001 Stonewood Drive. Here's the elevator. Maintenance room right there. Ooh, there's music. MPE right there. There's a drinking fountain, it's an LK. This one's working. This almost reminds me of the one at the Mall of Columbia, except it has EPCO SSL lanterns and they're on the inside. It actually has the OEM version of the lanterns and they're actually outside, not EPCO. Changes before it even moves. Just your basic Schindler elevator. Nice carpeting though. It's a nice color. MT fixtures. Panel mounted, hands-free ADA-code compliant phone. Installed in 2000. Don't know where the machine room is, but we're gonna set this one up. No, definitely not here. Here we go. Machine room is right here. That's it.